Sorry?
This is the Aurora Spa. Tell me a little bit about the spa.
I'm Lawrence. I'm your international hairdresser on board from the Crystal Symphony.
Nice to meet you, Lauren. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
From the Philippines. Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Thank
you so much. Kumusta?
This is part of their spa, and I am going to get a pedicure. Everybody else is out there seeing elephants, and I'm working on my toes. Beautiful spa. There is a sauna and a steam room, and let's go see what's on board. They have an acupuncture center. This is all deck 12. We're going to start from 12. And their gym. Lots and lots of different equipment. Well, I don't think you're going to see me doing anything here. This is Freddie, the instructor here in the gym from Argentina.
Yes.
Don't cry for me.
No.
you have to say that. Anyhow,
Yeah.
there are all these complimentary classes.
Yes.
And Freddie is in charge of them all. You must make a reservation.
Yes.
Of course, because there's just a certain amount of sign-ups. This is aft, and they're the only two things that are aft. To get to the front, you have to go down a level, go all the way across, then go up again. This is 11. Beef bar is reservation only. You're allowed 4 reservations per cruise, and this will give you an idea of what they serve. They serve Wagyu beef, Kobe beef. Wow. Those are the extras. Sides. Gelato would be good. All the extra wine prices. Wine is complimentary, but not any of these. How about a Dom Perignon for $375? Anyhow, this is the beef bar. Over here is the marketplace. It's buffet. They're busy cleaning everything right now. I will show you the breakfast buffet one of the days. There is also Palm Court, Scoop's Ice Cream Bar, Sea House Pool, Trident Grill, and Waves. They have a special Christmas buffet lunch, which they're setting up. So I came up to see exactly what they have. Carrot cake, spiced apple crumble, raspberry panna cotta, berry tart. So much work, so much work. Oh, look at the chocolate.
No, I'm just checking.
I'm checking too. Ooh, look at that. Here's baby. The pool is also on 11. We are almost forward on 11. Palm Court. This is all Palm Court. And out here is the putting center. And I know I saw a pickleball / squash court somewhere. 10, 9, 8, 7 are all suites. Let's go to 6. This is a Crystal Carol variety show tonight. The Lounge, and that's what it's called, The Lounge. This is Jade. Another bar. Oh, beautiful. Let's keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. We're in port, so of course the stores are not open. I will investigate on a sea day. Oh, there are quite a few shops here. Very unique, also very expensive. And here we have the bistro. We have the Portuguese custard tarts. I love those. They're so good. The vintage room has wine and dinner pairings that a wine-themed dinner is $300 a person. Another lounge, entertainment. Usually this is where you wait for your tour to begin. And the library. You can check all these books out to read. Big, big library. Very small left-behinds, though. Some of my favorite writers.
A group of widows who go traveling to...
The next lecture, destination lecture, is at 11. FYI, Crystal Symphony is owned now by Abercrombie and Kent. The computer room on 6. Sheila, let's add all this to 6.
He shares his passion for history and nature through his weekly podcast. He is an author. He is a co-founder of Entrepot Publishing. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back to tell us all about Singapore.
5 is where everything happens. The concierge, reception, shore excursions, the dining room that I eat at all the time, another bar. Angela Lansbury is godmother of the Crystal Symphony.